Hello, NAPO members. I'm Karen Baker, and I'm your new NAPO president. As a longtime member of this incredible organization, I'm excited to step into this leadership role during NAPO's 40th anniversary year. By their nature, anniversaries invite us to pause and look back at where we've been and to clarify where we want to go moving forward. Reflecting on NAPO's journey, I can't help but think how different our current reality is from what our founders might have envisioned in those early days. But while the tools and techniques of our profession have changed since 1985, who we are at our core remains the same. NAPO still stands for excellence in organizing and productivity and remains committed to providing community and education for our members. Our 5 founders built this association on these principles, and they continue to guide us today as we expand into new specialties, adapt to new technologies, and reach new corners of the globe. In this milestone year, your board of directors will soon be engaging in strategic planning to chart NAPO's course forward. Strategic planning isn't just about setting goals. It's about creating a bold vision that builds on our foundation while embracing new opportunities. Thank you to everyone who participated in our recent member survey. Your feedback will help guide our planning process and shape NAPO's future direction. The board is looking forward to developing a roadmap for NAPO to continue to serve our members and to remain the leader in the organizing and productivity industry. I'd also like to invite everyone to participate in celebrating World Organizing Day on Tuesday, May 20th. World Organizing Day is a global initiative founded by the International Federation of Professional Organizing Associations to recognize the work of organizing and productivity professionals worldwide. Share your personal stories or favorite industry moments on social media and make sure to use the hashtag World Organizing Day and hashtag NAPOPro. Thank you again for being a part of the NAPO community. I'm excited to work with the NAPO board and our members to honor NAPO's 40th anniversary and to fulfill NAPO's vision. The future of the organizing and productivity industry starts with us, and together we will write NAPO's next chapter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.